part would be on theoretical framework, or on how you would do your theories. How would you evaluate your theories? So theory or theoretical framework, it is quite the same with conceptual framework, but it is more about empirical reality. It is more about the empirical world. Conceptual framework provides us the conceptual reality, but it will give us more of um, reality, or tangible understanding about our research. While theory or theoretical framework, it is more about what is the empirical world, or the more imaginative siya. So a conceptual framework may be incorporated with several theories. So that's why you really have to put your theoretical framework in your paper. So what should be included in the theoretical framework? So the theory first should be from your readings. Either it is from a book or from your recent article. It has to be an organized exploration of the problem, and it has a connection, extraordinary connection to your research topic. So theory is empirically based, and a theory will help you confirm the facts. So remember, you have to draw a hypothesis. From your statement of the problem, you have to draw a hypothesis. A while ago, you want to test significant relationship of knowledge and practice. So your hypothesis, if we will use null hypothesis, you may state it as there is no significant relationship. That is your expectation, that knowledge has no relationship with practice. So you will look for theory about behaviors of people, about practices, about knowledge that will help you confirm the results later on. Because these theories, they confirm facts. So later on, when you go to your results, will it support the theory that you have researched or that you have included in your framework? So a theory is an analytical structure designed to explain set of observation. It's a tool for describing, understanding, and explaining a given subject matter. And it consists of statements about subject that have been or can be verified empirically. It's a scientific theory. It will give you predictive description of facts gathered over time, and it is confirmed through observation and experimentation. So I have here another video, but before that one, I will show you the theoretical framework of the practical example that we have, so you would understand more the video that I will show you. So in drug disposal research topic, they use this theory in order to support their results later on. As you can see, they have here the theory of plant behavior and the theory of environmentally responsible behavior. So if you have to read this theory, this is about individual's perspective, or it is about behavior of a person in a certain community. So whatever is the result later on, this theory will be able to back it up, because this is already a tested theory. It has facts already behind it. And then this one, the theory of environmentally responsible behavior, that was proposed by Heinz et al. So it is about the act, locus of control, attitude, sense of personal responsibility and knowledge on the behavior of certain individual. So this theory also help you understand the results that you will be having later on. Okay, so another video I will show you is about how to develop your theoretical framework.
The goal of a theoretical framework is to present and explain the theories and models that other researchers have already developed. There may be many different theories about your topic, so the theoretical framework also involves evaluating, selecting, and comparing the most relevant ones. Here are 3 steps to create a theoretical framework. Let's get right in. Step 1. Identify your key concepts. The first step is to pick out the key terms from your problem statement and research question, and clearly define these terms. Step 2. Evaluate and explain relevant theories. As you write the theoretical framework, aim to compare and critically evaluate the approaches that different authors have proposed. In this example here, we compare Thomason's definition of customer satisfaction with Saitomo and Bittner's. After discussing different models and theories, you establish the definitions that best fit your research and justify why this is the case. So in our case, we explained why we went for Thomason's definition, because it's the most relevant to the aims of the study. In more complex research projects, you might combine theories from different fields to build your own unique framework. Step 3. Show how your research fit in. Apart from discussing other people's theories, the theoretical framework should show how your own project will make use of these ideas. You might aim to do one or more of the following. Test whether a theory holds in a specific context. Use theory as a basis for interpreting your results, which is what our example did here. Critique or challenge a theory. Combine different theories in a new or unique way. In a thesis or dissertation, the theoretical framework is sometimes integrated into a literature review chapter. If you need help with writing your literature review, check out this playlist.
Okay, so I hope you have heard the steps that she have mentioned. You can also follow the step. I will share the link later on in our classroom or in our classroom so that you would have if you have the time, you can also listen to it once again. So, going back to our lecture, I'd like to summarize it with this text. So, research is gathering of evidences and also challenging theories. Whatever you have on hand, it will produce evidences and it will challenge, it will support theories, but it will also challenge theories. So you really have to start correctly, gather information correctly so that whatever it is that you will produce, the evidences that you will produce, it is correctly done, it will be reliable, and it will be acceptable later on in testing and in challenging different theories or different body of knowledge that is available already in our community. Also, it will really be a very good way to address problems later on. If we will do it correctly, accurately, then it is a sound tool to address problems in the community.